Hello everyone! Are you curious about whether hamsters are easy to take care of? Let's explore! Hamsters are often considered relatively easy pets to care for, especially compared to larger animals like dogs or cats. However, like any pet, hamsters require proper care, attention, and commitment to ensure they remain healthy, happy, and well-adjusted. One of the reasons why hamsters are considered relatively easy to care for is their small size and low maintenance requirements. They don't require daily walks like dogs or frequent grooming like some other pets, making them suitable for individuals with busy lifestyles or limited space. Basic care for a hamster includes providing a suitable cage or habitat, bedding, food, and water, as well as regular cleaning and maintenance of their living environment. Hamsters are typically solitary animals and can be housed alone, reducing the need for multiple pets or complex social dynamics. Feeding a hamster is relatively straightforward, as they can thrive on a diet of commercial hamster food supplemented with fresh fruits, vegetables, and occasional treats. Providing a balanced diet and ensuring access to clean water is essential for your hamster's health and well-being. Another aspect of hamster care that makes them relatively easy pets is their self-sufficiency and ability to entertain themselves. Hamsters are nocturnal or crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during the evening and night, which can be convenient for busy pet owners. However, it's essential to remember that hamsters still require social interaction, mental stimulation, and regular veterinary care to thrive as pets. Spending time with your hamster each day, providing enrichment activities and toys, and monitoring their health and behavior are all essential aspects of responsible hamster care. While hamsters may be considered relatively easy pets to care for compared to some other animals, they still require commitment and dedication from their owners. By providing proper care, attention, and love, you can ensure your hamster lives a happy, healthy life as a beloved pet. In summary, while hamsters may be considered relatively easy pets to care for due to their small size and low maintenance requirements, they still require proper care, attention, and commitment from their owners to thrive. By providing a suitable environment, balanced diet, social interaction, and regular veterinary care, you can ensure your hamster remains healthy, happy, and well-adjusted as a cherished companion. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.